Get into the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sleek Lincoln MKZ, the powerful four-door sedan with a premium feel. Its comfortable, refined interior and standard driver assist tech lets you optimize confidence and reduce stress every time you take the wheel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat, remote engine start, dual zone AC, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Quiet power blends with premium comfort in this expressive MKZ. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.